With Corsair iQ4, you can create custom profiles to save custom lighting, performance, and other settings that'll change with a single button press or even automatically switch when you bring an assigned application into focus. This allows you to have custom lighting effects turn on, as well as allow you to do things like ramp up your system fans and load up custom key remaps and DPI settings for your favorite game. To create a new profile in iQ4, expand the profile tray on the left-hand side of the iQ4 window. Note that if you need to collapse this tray, simply click the button again to move it back out of the way. Click the plus button under System Profiles to add a new profile to the list. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to change the name of the profile, select a profile icon, link an application to this profile, and apply a custom background image or video file that'll be displayed in iQ when this profile is selected. Profile icons are displayed just to the left of the profile name in iQ4, and will help to make it easier to identify the active profile at a glance. Use the profile icon window to select an image. Click the plus button in this window to select a custom image. Or click the paint bucket icon above the image selection to assign a simple color to this profile. To link an application, click the plus button next to Linked App, and browse to the shortcut or executable file for the application that you wish to link this profile to. Linked applications can be games, web browsers, content creation, or even Office programs. Note that once a profile is linked to an application, it'll only be active when that application is in focus. If you switch to another application, the previous profile that you had active before running the game or application will be loaded by iQ. To add a custom background image or video to this profile, click the plus button next to background image or video, and select the image or video file that you wish to use for this profile. Once you finish creating your profile, click Create, and the new profile will be ready for you to assign custom lighting, performance, and actions or macros. Most Corsair gaming mice and keyboards have a dedicated profile switch that'll cycle between all profiles that you've created or imported into iQ on the fly. If you wish to create your own profile switch, go to Key Assignments on either your mouse or keyboard in iQ. Create a new key assignment by clicking the plus button and select the profile switch assignment type. You can select either a single profile or a profile list for this switch to cycle through. You can tweak the profile switch even further with the options to the right. Once you're done, make sure that you've assigned this key assignment to the desired button on your mouse or key on your keyboard, and then click Copy to copy this assignment to all profiles that you've added to the rotation list. If you wish to edit profile settings or want to import or export a profile, select the profile in the System Profiles list and then open the menu just to the right of the selected profile. You'll be given the option to set this profile as the default in iQ, as well as rename, edit, copy, import, export, and delete. If you wish to organize your profiles, you can create a new folder by clicking the folder icon near the top of the System Profiles list. Open the menu for options to rename or delete this folder. To add a profile to the folder, simply drag and drop the desired profile into the folder. If you have a long list of profiles and want to find one quickly in your System Profiles list, click on the search button and type the name of the profile. To import a custom iQ profile, go to the profile bar and open the Profile Options menu. Click Import Profile. Click the plus button and browse to a profile that you've downloaded or previously exported and click Open. Use the toggles under Import with the profile to select specific aspects of the profile that you want to import. For instance, if you're only interested in the lighting effects, toggle everything off except for lighting effects. Once you've made your selections, click Import, and the profile will be added to the bottom of the profile stack. To export your own custom iQ profile, go to the Profile bar and open the Profile Options menu. Click Export Profile. Select the profile that you wish to export from the drop-down menu and use the toggles under Export with the profile to configure which parts of the profile that you wish to include. If you're only interested in sharing a cool lighting effect that you've created, toggle everything off except for lighting effects. Once you've made your selections, click Export. Browse to a directory that you wish to save the profile to and click Save. And that's it. iQ4 profiles allow you to change the behavior of your system with a simple press on your mouse or keyboard, or automatically when linked to a game or other application. For more information about iQ4, check out Corsair.com/iQ.